Today we are going to talk about when to use subtitles and when to avoid them. To be honest with you, I'm a huge fan of these kinds of videos in which we discuss a learning strategy. I once heard from a successful person that when you attend my seminars, my duty is to show you the pathway, show you the methods that work. Here's precisely what he said. I have to show you a single drop and you will discover the ocean yourself. So if you want my advice, always look for the best strategy that works for you.
First things first, when I say subtitles, I mean English subtitles. I know there are times when we just want to sit back, chill out, and enjoy a movie with our family. In this case, subtitles in our own language will come in handy. But if you are using them for learning purposes, please stop doing it. It's not really helpful. Now the question is, with English subtitles or without subtitles? Well, the answer is both. You have to choose based on your goal, your English level, and what you're watching. And by what you're watching, I mean its English difficulty in terms of vocabulary and, more importantly, how fast they speak. Use subtitles if your goal is to expand your vocabulary and your English level is pre-intermediate. The best approach is to watch some TV series such as Friends or Family Guy, both of which are pretty funny and great for learning English since their topic is around day-to-day life. Once your English level is intermediate and above, you usually don't need subtitles to learn new words anymore. But why? I'm glad you asked, because your ears are trained enough to hear the words and idioms correctly. I mean, in most cases, you heard the word before. You just have forgotten the meaning, right? So keep watching this TV series, but now without subtitles. This way, you're improving your vocabulary and listening simultaneously. When it comes to listening, subtitles are like a double-edged sword. They could be helpful if used properly, but they could also be the worst enemy of your listening skills. Some people recommend watching first with subtitles and then watching again without subtitles, which is a decent method if your English hasn't reached an intermediate level yet. But if your English level is intermediate and above, I don't recommend this method anymore. Here's why. At least to me, this method was extremely boring, and we subconsciously avoid boring things, right? So when I was pre-intermediate, I used to watch YouTube videos and maybe some easier TV series without subtitles. I'm sure all of us tried this method before, so feel free to leave a comment and share your experience with us. Has it been helpful for you or not? What are the pros and cons? As a quick wrap-up, firstly, non-English subtitles are the worst. Secondly, subtitles for expanding your vocabulary, and without subtitles for improving your listening. Last but not least, thirdly, regardless of your goal, the better your English gets, the less you have to use subtitles. Let's face it, there are no subtitles in the real world. See subtitles as those tiny little wheels called training wheels or stabilizers. There is no way we learn how to ride a bike without those training wheels. But at some point your dad takes them off. First you stumble, you lose your balance and fall. But after a while, you don't even remember you had training wheels one day. I know this is a controversial topic and different teachers have different opinions. You have to hear different, even opposing points of view, and then test them for yourself and see if they work out for you or not. When it comes to learning, people are completely different. So never use a method just because someone else told you so. Thank you all very much for giving me your time. I hope this video made sense. Please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. See you later. Have a beautiful day.